and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some vegan pancakes. These are perfect for a treat breakfast or even for pancake day, which is coming up soon. And if you stay tuned, we'll get started on the recipe. So the first thing I'm going to make is a quick and easy chocolate sauce. So in my bowl I've got 1 tablespoon of cacao powder. The reason I'm using cacao powder is because it's a little bit purer than cocoa and it's not quite as bitter. And to that I'm just going to add 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. And now I'm just going to give that a little whisk just to combine it. Don't worry at the start if it looks quite lumpy, it will come together, I'll show you. That's our easy chocolate sauce made. I'm just going to pop that off to the side and I'm going to make my pancake batter now. So in my bowl here I've got my self-raising flour. So into that I'm going to add other dry ingredients. So I've got sugar, baking powder and salt. And I'm just going to give everything a little whisk to combine it. So now I'm going to add my wet ingredients in. So I've got my non-dairy milk and my vanilla essence. And again I'm just going to give that a whisk to incorporate. That's my batter all made, and you just want to make sure there's no lumps of flour left in it. So I'm just going to have a quick tidy up and I'll meet you over at the pan to get them cooked off. So I've got my little pancake pan, and in each section I've got about half a teaspoon of coconut oil. I'm just going to pop that onto heat. So now my coconut oil's heated, I'm going to start adding my mixture, and to each of these little sections I'm going to do about 2 tablespoons of mixture. Now I'm going to take my little spatula, and you can see the first couple that I put in, they're now starting to cook up, so I'm just going to give them a little flip over. So if, like me, you don't get it quite right, you can just neaten them up. I'm just going to give them a couple of minutes on the other side to cook. Now if you don't have a little pan like this with little sections like I do, you can do it in a larger frying pan and just add a couple of tablespoons at a time, or you can make yourself a nice big pancake. We just prefer these as they're more of a treat size and great for like a dessert or breakfast, as I said earlier. I'm just going to check these now. And yeah, they're looking great. So now I'm just going to repeat the process, add in some more coconut oil and carry on until my pancakes are fried, and then I'll see you when they're done. So my pancakes have all finished frying up, and to serve them I'm just going to take 3 of them onto a plate. You can still see the cute little smiley faces. And to top them off, I'm just going to pop on some freshly sliced strawberries. Now I'm just going to pop over a drizzle of our chocolate sauce. I did just need to pop this in the microwave for 10 seconds because it is a bit cold here, just so it went all nice and lovely again. And there you have it. So the extra sauce I'll store in the fridge ready for next time we have pancakes. But right now I'm off to go and enjoy these as a breakfast. So please do give this a like and do comment below what you're going to top your pancakes you make with. The classic is lemon and sugar, which I will have on pancake day, but obviously some biscotti sauce or some chocolate spread, it goes great on it, or obviously some homemade chocolate spread. Hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon with my next recipe. Don't forget you can click up here to subscribe and catch my last video down here. Thank you for watching. Bye!